today we have a battle of. So what is up, guys? Today we have a battle of Tornado Wyvern, 4g.At Atomic, and Twin Nemesis, newly a box one. 3-hit ultimate reboot. So let's get right to the battle. I'll be using my string launcher for today. Just want to use it, so let's go. And a burst finish, 2-0. We're going to 5 points. 5 points. Okay. So next battle, let's go. Another burst finish. The score is 4-0. One more point for Twin Nemesis, and he wins the battle. So next round. Twin Nemesis have been beating up. Oh wow, it didn't just like go. Now Twin Nemesis just rebooted, but it didn't attack it. So let's just keep watching the video. I mean, not the video, the battle. And Twin Nemesis went down, so the score is 4-1. Tornado Wyvern might make a comeback. So next battle. So this is like the next round. Oh, that Twin Nemesis just goes around. Focus camera. Okay, there we go. Twin Nemesis goes back into the middle. Let's see if Twin Nemesis ooh, Twin Nemesis right. Ooh. I think Tornado Wyvern won that. Tornado Wyvern. Oh. Whoa, so close to bursting. So the score is 4-2. Next battle. So Twin Nemesis just rebooted that fast. That's cool. Let's see, Twin Nemesis can outspin Tornado Wyvern, but I don't think he can because of the atomic driver. This atomic driver is very good. So I gotta get that to Tornado Wyvern. Tornado Wyvern won that one. It's 4-3. Tornado Wyvern is getting a comeback. Before the video ends, we're gonna change Twin Nemesis's mode. So right now it was in smash attack. See if you can see that it goes right there. But let's change it to upper attack mode. Yep, upper attack. It's upper attack because the Beyblade's right up. They just go up and like get knocked out. So let's go. Next round. What? And Tornado Wyvern wins the battle. With the score is 5-4. Let's do a bonus round. Let's go. Let's make it first one is 7 actually. So let's go. Cause that'll be more amusing if it was first one to 7. Ooh, I gotta say, Twin Nemesis bursted after Tornado Wyvern, so the score is 6-5. One more point for Twin Nemesis, and Twin Nemesis wins. Let's go. Next battle. Let's go. So, Twin Nemesis rebooted. Ooh. 8-5. Twin Nemesis wins the battle. Let's go. So Twin Nemesis is the winner of the battle. Let's go. Twin Nemesis won and beat Tornado Wyvern. So, hope you liked the video, guys. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, turn on notifications. Make sure you also comment down below. And also, make sure you share the video because, you know, this video is lit. So, yeah, hope you liked the video. Twin Nemesis won. Have fun, stay fun, do fun stuff. Bye. Peace.